Hello everyone, welcome to Study IQ. Let's start the current affairs for 24th of September. And there is one more backlog that I have, which is 23rd of September. So 23rd September video that will be uploaded right after this. And I was traveling, so I was not able to record both the videos. World Rhino Day 2018 was observed on which day? World Rhino Day. Now rhino is found in India, and the species of rhino that is found in India is called one-horned rhino. Okay, one-horned rhino, and its IUCN status, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources status, is vulnerable. Vulnerable. So it is celebrated on September the 22nd. Now there are places in India where you will find rhino. So for example, there is a Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary in Assam. Now remember, rhino is the state animal of Assam. The one-horned rhino, it is the state animal of Assam. Pobi Tora Wildlife Sanctuary in Assam. Then there is a Kaziranga National Park, which is also a World Heritage Site. And there is a Manas World Heritage Site. It's also a national park where you will find rhino in India. September 22nd is the day. World Rose Day 2018 was observed on which date? Here, rose does not, it does not mean that it's a flower. It's actually name of a girl. So the name of the girl is Melinda Rose, and the day is on September the 22nd. Now, why Melinda Rose is famous? So she had a very rare type of cancer called Askins tumor. She was from Canada. She was only 12 years old, and it's a type of blood cancer that she suffered from. And she kind of motivated a lot of people to fight cancer, and that is why in her memory we celebrate World Rose Day. India won which medal at the Asian Team Snooker Championship? India won the silver medal, and they had to contend with the silver medal because they were defeated by Pakistan in the final. Remember one or two snooker players from India. So one is Geet Sethi. He has been a world champion and he is still active. He is a veteran. And then we have another one, Pankaj Advani. So Pankaj Advani is the most famous, and he is a world champion. Around 16 times he is a world champion. And then we have Geet Sethi. Third edition of Mahabiz 2018 will be held in which city? So Mahabiz, it is basically an effort by the government of Maharashtra, to have a business cooperation with Gulf Cooperation Council. And it's a conference where Maharashtra goes to the countries of the Gulf Cooperation Council and it pitches its proposals and looks for investment. So it will be held in Dubai. Remember, Dubai is the headquarter for International Cricket Council (ICC), and Mr. Shashank Manohar is the chairman of ICC. And Dubai is present in UAE. Which are the countries in the Gulf Cooperation Council, and how many countries are there? In Gulf Cooperation Council, we have 6 countries. 6. Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, Qatar, Bahrain, and Kuwait. So this is the area which we call the Gulf countries. It does not include Iraq, and these are more the oil-rich countries. Some of these are very rich also. This one here we have Yemen. This is called Yemen, and then this is the African continent here, and this is what we call the Strait of Hormuz. So remember, these 6 countries are very, very important, and they are headquartered in Riyadh, which is the capital of Saudi Arabia. Which state has become the first state in Northeast India to introduce Smart E-Public Distribution System, EPDS? And who is our minister for EPDS? For PDS, our minister is Ram Vilas Paswan. Ram Vilas Paswan. His Lok Sabha constituency is Hajipur in Bihar. He is also the Minister for Food Safety, Ram Vilas Paswan, and it was held in Arunachal Pradesh. Now let me tell you that Arunachal Pradesh is the second state in the Northeast India to become open defecation free. First was Sikkim. In fact, not just in Northeast, in the entire India, the first state to become open defecation free was Sikkim. Sikkim's capital is Gangtok. Now let me ask you a question here. So 1 month back, Arunachal Pradesh created 3 new districts. Right? So there were 22 districts in Arunachal, and 3 more are added. Now it has 25 districts. Out of these 4, which did not become the newest district of Arunachal? Shi Yomi, Pakke Kesang, West Siang, or Leparada? Which of the 4 did not become a new district of Arunachal Pradesh among those 3 which became the newest districts of Arunachal? Write down in comments. Which state government has signed a memorandum of understanding with National Insurance Company Limited for Ayushman Bharat Yojana? You know that Ayushman Bharat has started, and it will provide insurance up to 5 lakh rupees per family per year. Remember, 1.5 health and wellness centers will be opened across India for Ayushman Bharat or Modi Care scheme. And the first health and wellness center to get opened in India was in Bijapur. Bijapur is in Chhattisgarh. And recently, with NIC, Jharkhand has signed a MOU. Jharkhand's Chief Minister is Raghubar Das. Can you tell me who has become the new Managing Director of National Insurance Company? Write down in comments. Naropa Festival is celebrated at which place? Naropa Festival. It is a festival celebrated in Ladakh community. Ladakh is actually name of a mountain range. It is a part of the Trans Himalayas. It's in Jammu and Kashmir. And it is celebrated every 12th year of the Tibetan calendar, the Naropa festival. It is also called the Kumbh festival of the Himalayas. Okay, it's very, very popular. So it is called the Kumbh festival of the Himalayas. During the end of the 5-day festival, Saring Ladol, she was honored with the Himalayan Hero Award because she became the first Ladakhi girl to scale Mount Everest in 2005. So remember, Saring Ladol was awarded the Himalayan Hero Award. And then there is a district also in Ladakh which is called Leh. Okay, in the Ladakh mountain ranges, we have a district called Leh, and Leh is the second largest district of India after Kutch in Gujarat. Okay. The World Anti-Doping Agency, recently they have lifted their ban from which country? World Anti-Doping Agency is headquartered in Montreal in Canada, and recently they lifted their ban from Russian Anti-Doping Agency. Russia's capital is Moscow. Which country is joining China-Pakistan Economic Corridor as the third strategic partner? China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is an effort by China to connect to the Strait of Hormuz area, and it will ease the load on China with respect to the South China Sea area because it passes through the Strait of Malacca, and China is always scared that because India and America, they are holding joint military exercises along with Japan in the Indian Ocean. And India as such is very strong in the Indian Ocean. So China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, third country to join it is Saudi Arabia. Now remember, Saudi Arabia recently, Gold movie became the first Indian movie to release in Saudi Arabia, and Gold movie is the story of 1948 UK Olympics where India won the gold medal in Olympics, beating UK in the final. Okay, and Gold movie is directed by Reema Kagti, and the movie Village Rockstars is our official entry to the Oscars. It is directed by Reema Das. Now please don't confuse Reema Das with Hima Das. Hima Das is a Assamese, Assamese sprinter and famous for her exploits in the 400-meter race, and she is also called the Dhing Express. She is from Nagaon in Assam. This is CPEC. CPEC extends from Gwadar in Pakistan to Kashgar in the western Chinese province of Xinjiang. Okay, so Gwadar to Kashgar is actually the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, and to counter Gwadar, India is building Chabar or Shahid Beheshti port in Iran. The inaugural Naval Flight Test Seminar was held recently in which state? It was the first Naval Flight Test Seminar, and this state has Molam National Park, and it also has, Molam National Park is called Bhagwan Mahavir National Park also. We are talking about Goa. And Chief Minister of Goa is Dr. Manohar Parrikar. First General Assembly of International Solar Alliance will be held in which country? It will be held in Greater Noida. So the answer is India. Greater Noida is in Uttar Pradesh, and International Solar Alliance headquarters is in Gurugram in Haryana of India. Valmiki Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? In fact, it has been given the status of a national park. It is the only national park in Bihar. Valmiki National Park. Maxwell is the unit of what? Maxwell is the unit of magnetic flux. Magnetic flux. Which country has put a ban on porn sites, that is the adult websites or the websites that contain mature content, to curb the rising rape cases? Something similar was done in India also, but it was not a blanket ban in India. It has been recently done by the Nepal establishment. The coach who mentored the Olympic medalist Sushil Kumar and Yogeshwar Dutt, he passed away. So Sushil Kumar and Yogeshwar Dutt, they both are Olympic medalists and they both are from Haryana. They are wrestlers. What was the name of their coach who passed away? He was a winner of the Dronacharya Award also. So his name is Yashveer Singh. Yashveer Singh. And recently Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award was given to Virat Kohli and to Mirabai Chanu of Manipur. Who has been appointed as the president of Odisha Lalit Kala Academy? He is a very famous sand artist and usually he does his creations on the Puri beach. So his name is Sudarshan Patnaik. And by the way, Manas Kumar Sahu is another very important sand artist. So you can see some of the creations of one of the creation of Sudarshan Patnaik. This was on Teachers Day very recently. Who has become the youngest author ever shortlisted for the Man Booker Prize? Youngest author ever is Daisy Johnson, and one of the books she has written for which she has been nominated is Everything Under. The name of the book is Everything Under, and this is very, very important. Which company has received Reserve Bank of India's permission? Now they can operate their non-banking financial company in India. This company is called PayU. PayU. Now, before I end the video, you must have heard about this website called mygov.in. So it is the official website of Government of India to connect to the citizens of India. And recently there is a quiz also available for everyone free of cost. So please go and participate in this quiz. It is called Incredible India Quiz. Now, not only I scored 100% in this quiz, but also I noticed a mistake. So let me discuss some of the questions that are asked in this quiz because these can be asked easily in your exams also. So the first question is in Assam, you know, whenever there is a marriage, there is a Panch Amrit which is given to the bride. Okay. Now this Panch Amrit, it is a consortium of ghee, sugar, honey, milk and what? Panch means 5. So obviously in this melange there will be 5 ingredients, right? Now 4 are given: ghee, sugar, honey, milk and what? Water, turmeric, curd or salt. The answer is curd. Okay, it's a melange or a mixture of these 5 things. It is given to a bride during Assamese weddings. Okay, so if you are from Assam and if you are a soon to be bride, well, you can look forward to this Panchamrit. Which of the following theatre is from Madhya Pradesh? Now this was the question in which I found a mistake. Okay, so these were the 4 options which were given on the website: Tamasha, Swang, Ras Leela, Notanki. And actually this question is wrong because none of the 4 is from Madhya Pradesh. The answer is March. So March option I added on my own. Okay, so I'll probably send an email to mygovernment.in people that okay, please at least make good quizzes. Okay, now Tamasha is a Marathi theatre. Okay, Tamasha B is a Marathi theatre. Song is in Haryana, mostly in Haryana, and some places Hathras in Uttar Pradesh also, but mostly in Haryana. Okay, song. Ras Leela and Notanki are from Uttar Pradesh. Ras Leela in fact is based on the life of Lord Krishna. Okay, so March is from Madhya Pradesh. So this was the mistake. Anyways, Sikhs get married through a ceremony which is called Anand Karaj. Anand Karaj is the name of the ceremony, Sikhs wedding ceremony. It was introduced by which Sikh Guru? His name was Guru Amar Das. Guru Amar Das. In 2003, which place won the status of the cleanest village in Asia? And it is in India. So it's a matter of great pride that this village is called Molinong. Molinong. It is in Meghalaya, very near to Shillong. Which is the largest museum of India? Can you tell the answer? So it is called the Indian Museum. Indian Museum is in Kolkata. Not only it is the largest, but also it is the oldest museum in India. Salarjung Museum is in Telangana, Hyderabad. National Museum is in Delhi. So Indian Museum and National Museum are different. Okay, they sound similar. But they are different. The living root bridges are located in which state? This is very important. What are living root bridges? So let me show you a diagram. You can see these roots and they get intertwined and intermingled and they form these structures which act as bridge. These are called living root bridges because ultimately these are living roots. And you can spot these in Meghalaya, very near to Cherrapunji, especially in the East Khasi Hills areas. Okay, in Meghalaya. Khasi, Garo, Jaintia, these are the 3 hills in Meghalaya. Now, name which among the following is not in the 10 gurus of Sikhs. Which among the, so you know that there were 10 gurus in Sikhism and the 11th guru is their holy book which is called the Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Okay, so which of these was not among the 10 Sikh gurus? Guru Angad Ji, Guru Gobind Singh, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji or Guru Sant Das? So the answer is Guru Sant Das. Mirchi Bazaar. Okay, Mirchi means chilies. Okay, red chili and green chili, all that. So Mirchi Bazaar, it's like a chili market. It is one of the biggest chili market of India, and it's a part of which fair? Nagaur Fair, Pushkar Fair, Elephant Fair, or Kumbh Festival. It's a part of Nagaur Fair. Nagaur is a district in Rajasthan. So at Nagaur Fair you will find Mirchi Bazaar or chili market. Which one is not a southern Indian dance? Okay, so Kathak is a dance of North India. Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh. Bharatnatyam, Tamil Nadu. Lavani, Maharashtra. So the answer is Kathak. Which is the second largest wall in the world? See, largest you know, Great Wall of China, okay. But second largest is actually an Indian fort. It was built by Rana Kumbha. It was called the Kumbhalgarh Fort. This wall is 38 kilometers. It's the second largest wall in the world. Bagara Bangan, it's a famous dish of which Indian city? So you must have heard about Hyderabadi biryani. So okay, biryani is one and Bagara Bangan is another one. The answer is Hyderabad. Where is the first mosque in India located? The first ever mosque in India was this mosque. It is called Charaman Juma Masjid. Charaman Juma Masjid, and it is in Kerala. What is the origin of the river Kaveri? Okay, Kaveri takes its origin from Brahmagiri hills in Karnataka. The point is called Tal Kaveri. Tal Kaveri. And why was Mahabaleshwar in news? Mahabaleshwar this year in 2018, it has received more rainfall than Cherrapunji. Okay, that is why Mahabaleshwar was in news. Okay, so this was the video, and now one video is missing. Okay, 23rd September video is missing. That I will upload after 1 hour. Okay, so you don't need to wait much. I'll upload after 1 hour. Enjoy both the videos, and tomorrow I'll be on time. And let me remind you that Study IQ has pen drive courses available for railways, SSC, Bank PO, UPSC, NABARD, etc. various exams. If you want to buy any of the course, please go to website studyiq.com. Do like, share, and comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.